In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on Squarespace. If you're looking to clean up your site or temporarily remove content without deleting it, you're in the right place. Follow these steps and within 5 minutes you'll be comfortable making these adjustments yourself. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. So open up your browser and head to the Squarespace login page. If you're not already there, simply search for Squarespace login, which will take you to the correct page. Once you're there, click on the login button to begin the process. Next, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Squarespace makes it easy if you're already logged into Google. A single click on continue with Google will take you through the process smoothly. Select the Google account associated with your Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of sites. Now, it's time to click on your website and the one where you want to hide a section. From your dashboard, you can access everything you need to manage and update your content. Look for pages in this area. Clicking on pages will take you to the section of Squarespace where your site's structure is managed. Following this, locate website tools. This is typically found within the panel where your site settings and other design options are held. By clicking on website tools, you'll open up further customization options. Your next move is to click on Custom CSS from the Website Tools menu. Custom CSS is a powerful tool that allows you to apply styling changes to your website without altering the main site's template files. It's perfect for adjustments like hiding a section because it keeps those elements in place while making them invisible to visitors. When you're in the Custom CSS section, you'll want to type in the CSS code needed to hide the section you're targeting. For this, you need the section ID of the part you want to hide. You can find this by inspecting the element through your browser's developer tools, something that's straightforward once you know where to look. The CSS code typically looks like section ID, display, none, where you replace section ID with the actual ID of the section. After typing in your CSS code, the final step to solidify your changes is to click on Save. This step is crucial as it applies the changes you've made to your live site. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct before hitting save to prevent any unwanted alterations. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a section on your Squarespace site. Remember, this change is reversible, so if you ever want to showcase that section again, you can simply remove or comment out the CSS code. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Enjoy managing your website with a clean, clutter-free approach.